This website is created for the Digital Marketing Tools course at the Hague University of Applied Sciences by Tim Muller. This company is not related to any entity businesses. I chose for this design because it looks very straightforward. This is because we are targeting tennis players only, but there's no specific age group or gender which we want to reach out to. That's why I chose for this design, in order to keep it all natural and neutral. The website is easy to navigate. That's why I chose for the hyperlinks and tabs. A hyperlink like this to the homepage, and the tabs: home, plans, and pricing, quote, programs, and contact are also hyperlinks. If you click, for example, on the program tab, you see 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. If you click, for example, on more info of the advanced one, you will see a short description of what it is. And people in the tennis world know their own level, so they can register on their own level. Look, you can see here level 1 to 3. Then you can go to plans and pricing and book the trip, who is for the 1 to 3 level, so that is the advanced one. If you want to go back to the home page again, you can easily click on home or on Advantage Tennisreizen, and you go on top of the home page. You can also easily reach out to our socials by clicking on the icon at the bottom of our website. And you can additionally, potential customers can chat with us over here. It's in every single page of us. Or they can reach out by email by using this at the bottom, or go to the contact page, and then they can also reach out to us. I hope you enjoy my website, and we're looking forward to see you on our website.